say I learned some pretty cool things just having a chat with her and her mum earlier on today, and she is definitely feeling better each and every run. She's feeling confident, and she just wants to go out there and get better and better, and she just wants to do it for the girls and just prove that they can. Look at the angle, she's cracked through there. Get it, girl, get it. Keep it on the track. Oh, closed right down on Higgins, who ranged up on the rear there, but
definitely a great lap from Zsalea in front, but she's